Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering both devices and putting the DJ controller into its Bluetooth or pairing mode so they can discover each other. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop's Bluetooth is enabled and actively scanning. This is the handshake step that allows devices to see one another. You choose the DJ unit on the list when it appears. Don't connect to generic or unknown names. If asked, accept pairing prompts and enter PIN 0000 or 1230. Once paired, you need to set the DJ controller as the audio output on your host device, so sound routes correctly. Make sure volume is low initially to prevent loud pops, then raise gradually while monitoring levels on the DJ board. If you require minimal delay for queuing, check for low-latency codecs like aptX or specific low-latency mode in the controller settings and enable them. Also confirm the controller shows both audio and control profiles, otherwise repair. To finish, you run quick playback and queue tests across channels to ensure sound, queue, and crossfader behavior match expectations, and then slowly increase levels for the set. If you hear dropouts or latency, first move devices closer, toggle Bluetooth off/on, or repair. Those simple steps often fix interference. If problems persist, reboot both devices, check for firmware or driver updates on the DJ unit, and as a last resort, use a wired connection to guarantee stable audio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.